Hi everybody, my name is Steph and today we're going to look at my future project. Let's go! So let's open it and see what we have. This guy here, let's open it. Nothing else, put it away. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. MAONO, probably don't pronounce perfect, but okay. Wow, eh? Nice box. Everything. Oops, sorry. AU-PM461. Okay, so let's open it. Wow. Ah, look at that. A happy card. Oh, this is really... Need more help. Oh, look at that. You have an email. There's a website. This is really nice. Really nice. User manual. Wow. How to connect. They explain you everything. Really easy to, yeah, it shows like easy to install. Just plug and play the way I see it. Wow. Okay. So, user manual. Okay, so let's look inside what we have. Oh yeah. That's nice. Probably to hold the microphone, probably. I don't know. We're going to look. Wait. Oh, no. That's not really... Okay, they put it all together. The tripod. Metal tripod. Very nice. Wow. Nope, it's not that. It's not like that. You have the microphone mousse, the cable. And wow. This guy is about the length of this guy. He's supposed to be 5.5 inch long. Or Samsung S6 if you want to see. Okay, so let me show you difference. Samsung S6, same length. It's not big, small. Put this guy away. The gain is all the way up. Put it down. Wow. Okay. Let's put everything together now and see. Nope. Nope. Probably those two together. Yeah. Well, that's easy. That's really easy. Okay. Let's put this guy here. Oh, just turn it. Okay. Wait. Wow. That's really easy to install. That's more easy. That's more than easy. This is... Voilà. So like that, I'm going to put it like that. Okay, and so put this guy here, and like that. like they said, plug and play. Let's see, this and this together. Wow, okay. And let's put this guy here. Wow, perfect. Okay. Okay, so that's a microphone type USB with condenser inside. Sorry for the word. And I saw when it's time to speak, you need to speak in front of the knob. So you're supposed to speak like that. We need to try it for that. And the way they built, you can tell it's not cheap. You know, it's not the one you can buy at 15 or 16 or $20. You can feel the difference. It's not heavy, it's a lightweight, but we're going to try it. So let's install it. Oh yeah, for that I have no choice. I need to buy another cable to plug, because this is a USB and I'm going to plug this guy inside my cell phone, so I need to buy another cable. So let's try it. Okay, so that's going to be the type of cable I need to plug inside my cell phone. So let's try it. What I did, I plug on my cell phone. So now the voice, this is my voice passing through the microphone, and the only sad thing, it's working, but the gain is not working with my cell phone, so they're not really compatible, the both of them. But when I try it on my computer, everything was easy to install. It's plug and play. The gain was really working perfectly. It's perfect. I really love it, and that's going to be my next project. You know what I like about the microphone? You don't have any additional software to install. Just plug in inside your computer and it's plug and play. And what is fun, it's good for gaming, YouTube for sure. I hope you like this video about the microphone, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment, and always the bell to remind you every week we have a new video. See you.